Shit is stupid. Look, when it comes to the way I act, bro, got the backbone of the trap, so fans know with the rap flows, get a crap load. Ammo like a Castro when he hat foes, that go like a Gacko. Yeah, shit is so stupid. When it comes to the way I act, bro, got the backbone of the trap, so fans know with the rap flows, get a crap load. Ammo like a Castro when he hat foes, that go like a Gacko. Yeah, so I'm a lasso in the back row, bad hoe, trust the bad nose like a lasso. That go never hassle, cause I'm bassful. That's no fucking fact though, I'm an asshole. See, little widow, I don't get what you're trying to be, little widow. Everything is something I don't read, little widow. With the way I'm living, I don't need little widows. Oh, and you trying to be calling me little widow? Oh, you a mean little widow. Need therapy, little widow. I don't really give a little minute shit about any of these little widows. Rappers always walk up to me in the show venue, ask me for a feature, I'll tell them, sir, no thank you. I should just be honest, I don't mean to offend you, but you should probably get better for I molest you. I get the flows and the patterns to make a rapper lose control of his bladder, or soaking wet mattress and piss on the sheet, do this religiously, tell them hoping to pass around. Most of these rappers are jokes and a half, they just holding a laughter like, what? Yeah, what? How the fuck you suck that much? Oh, I got a pretty fan wedding in a minivan, dumber than a brickin' man, I don't really give a damn. She want me to give a damn, follow on her Instagram, baby, that's a big demand for a little tramp. Whoa, now she calling me a prick again. Really, man? Tell her suck a dick like it wasn't already in the plans in advance. All to do is say to your old women that my grandma be showing all my music to is go hand that profanity and think that I did it just to embarrass my family. I'm sorry, yo, I'm awful, I know. Shabbat shalom. You can tell I got the Jewish opera nose. What the fuck is up with that obnoxious bone? Just look at the amount that my nostrils hold. None of you motherfuckers are strong as those. I got a body build on my face. Step to me, I'll smell you from miles away. Eureka, Eureka. We talent that needs practice and cheap fabric that needs fashion, extreme yapping that needs action and mean bragging that needs absence. Eureka sadness, I wreak a savage. Eureka has been, I wreak havoc. Look, performance when the moon's out, meetings during the daytime. I sat down with genius, they sat down with one at the same time. I broke down my lyrics, I'm the only one that can break mine. I broke down the barriers for a kid living a man's life, damn right. Give me a couple of years and stand by, I'll transcribe every single one of my thoughts into a franchise. At 17 I told the label that I grew up listening to that I can't sign. They don't want me to sound underground, well they don't know I'm a landmine. Boom, blow up in their face, whoa hold up a minute. You said I said that I'm a fan, no the fuck I didn't, no the fuck I didn't. You got shit to work on before I can say it. You putting words in my mouth just cause nobody will ever put your words in their playlist. I spit a flow and everyone gets quiet out of amazement. You spit a flow that get quiet cause everyone hates it. You will never work in the booth with me, don't get frustrated. I barely do features cause I can only record butt naked, facts. So next time you ask for a feature, I'll assume that you're asking to see my ass. I'll pass. That is my best feature, by the way. I just taught the teacher how to learn a preacher, how to pray there's levels to the shit I jump to get mine. I'm the ultimate newer entrepreneur. You're looking old and done with your life. You can